Good day, my people. Good day, YouTube. We are definitely back again for today. We are definitely back again for today. This is the weekend football predictions. As you all know, all we do here is to provide you guys with the world best analyzed predictions, betting tips, and strategies. So, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time coming across this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips and strategies have been uploaded on this channel. So guys, on today, we normally do this every weekends to give you all the predictions of the weekends for you guys to choose wisely, for you guys to choose the best out of the best on your running tickets. Those of you that says I don't normally give out running tickets, I don't give a huge odds. I do this every weekends. On a normal day, on every day, there's a show two odds for every day, and for the weekends, it's all about the running tickets. So guys, choose wisely on this game that I'm giving you guys. Make your selections wisely for those of you that plays the wins, the go goals, the double chance, the specials, and the over goals. This prediction will help you a lot to know how to go about on these weekends. In the first game we are having here, this is the game between Aston Villa versus Arsenal. This is an England Premier League games. Arsenal to win or draw this game. Bournemouth versus Chelsea. Chelsea to win or draw this game, away to win or draw this game. Manchester City versus Sunderland AFC. Manchester City isn't going to be losing a point on their home ground. They need these 3 points. They need these 3 points. Man City to win this game with a 2-0. Newcastle United versus Burnley. Newcastle lost their last game and they won't hesitate losing this one. Newcastle to win 1-0 on this game, and of course on this game over 1.5 as well. Tottenham versus Brentford. This game is going to be a little bit tricky and shaky at the same time, but we are going to be giving this game anything to win this game, either the home side Tottenham or the away side Brentford to win this game. Leeds United versus Liverpool. Giving this game a draw away. These guys, Leeds United, they won Chelsea last game with a 3-1. So guys, Liverpool will be careful dealing with these guys. Brighton versus West Ham. We are going to be giving this game a double chance. Brighton to win or draw this game on our prediction list here. And of course, for those of you that normally plays this game and 1.5, this game is suitable. Giving this game to give at least 2 or more goals in this game. Fulham versus Crystal Palace. We are going to be expecting at least a goal on this game. It's really important. Expecting a goal on this game. Villarreal versus Getafe. We are into Spain La Liga games. Villarreal versus Getafe. Giving Villarreal to win or draw this game. It will be possible. I don't know about Getafe, but Villarreal, they are going to win or draw this game. Real Betis versus Barcelona. This game is going to be tough, and you know that Barcelona now they are on the top of the league table, and these guys aren't joking this time around. Barca to win or draw this game, but we are going to be expecting more than 2 goals in this match. Atlético Bilbao versus Atlético Madrid. This is a tough match, I must say this. But in life of football, anything can happen. We are going to be giving the away side Atlético Madrid to win, to have an advantage of 2-0 handicap on this match. It's important. It's important. Real Madrid versus Celta Vigo. This is a good win for Real Madrid. Real Madrid must surely win this game. They must surely get their 3 points from Celta Vigo. I know that this time around Celta Figo, they are trying a lot, but Real Madrid they are trying to regain themselves to win matches back to back this time. So guys, Real Madrid to win 2-1 for this match. Into Germany Bundesliga games, Augsburg versus Bayer Leverkusen. Augsburg versus Bayer Leverkusen. This game we are going to be giving the away side Bayer Leverkusen to have an advantage of 2-0 handicap on this match. Stuttgart versus Bayern Munich. This game we are going to be giving Bayern Munich to win out for this game. And for those of you that normally plays over 2.5, this game is the best game for over 2.5 on this weekend. I repeat, this game is the best game for over 2.5 on this weekend. Leipzig versus Eintracht Frankfurt. Giving this match an over 1.5, we are going to be expecting 2 or more goals on this match. It's very, very important. It's gonna happen. Borussia Dortmund versus Hoffenheim. Borussia Dortmund to win or draw this game. That's a double chance on this match. Inter versus Como are into Italy Serie A games. Inter to win 1-0 on this match with a sure odd of 1.29 or it's a big win for Inter. I must say it. Verona versus Atlanta. Giving their away side Atlanta to win to have an advantage of 2-0 handicap on this match. It's gonna happen. But for those of you that know allows normal straight wins Atlanta to win this game. Cagliari versus Roma, and of course we are going to be expecting Roma to win or draw this game. Roma should win this game. Brest versus Monaco, giving their away side Monaco with 2-0 advantage handicap on this match with a sure odd of 1.10 on this today. Lille versus Marseille, these are all France League One games, giving Marseille their away side a 3-0 advantage handicap on this match. They should have an advantage of 3-0 handicap. Paris Saint-Germain versus Rennes. PSG to win this game with a 1-0 with a sure odd of 1.15 on it's a sure win game for PSG. And the last game we are having on is the Portugal League game. CD Tondela versus Porto. Porto to win this game with a 1-0 on our prediction list today. So guys, you can see this weekend football predictions is all about 23 games with at least 44 odds. 23 matches with a sure odd of 44.58 odd on our list today. So guys, use these games wisely. Change your own games wisely. These games were being given to you guys for you to choose wisely, for you to choose the best games for your running tickets. If you're tired of losing, still depending on luck, this channel can give you the extra edge you need in making football a smart choice. Don't forget, in life of football, anything can happen. Our Telegram channel link is posted down below the comment section. If you are ready to join, it's free to join. For the sake of your games, for the sake of your bets, and for the sake of your money, kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, and do turn on the notification bell for you to get notified once our everyday predictions, betting tips, and strategies are being uploaded on this channel. Wish you all a good luck to you all and more winnings ahead. Do have a successful day as well.